Welcome students, this is your geography teacher Suchi Mishra and today we gonna study geography chapter 1 resources and development. Children, already you have covered many topics in last 2 weeks. These I have highlighted with green color and today we are going to cover these yellow topics. Before starting my lecture, I would like to ask one question. What are the 3 stages of resource planning? Okay, fine. I'm giving the answer. You just check it whether you are right or wrong. Resource planning has 3 stages. First is identification. With the help of surveying or mapping, we can do this. पहले हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे किसी भी रिसोर्स को एंड रिसोर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेज होगी इसकी इवॉल्विंग प्लानिंग स्ट्रक्चर लाइक टेक्नोलॉजी, इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेटअप, देन जब कोई रिसोर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू मैच इट विद द डेवलपमेंट प्लान्स और डेवलपमेंट प्लान्स के साथ जब हम मैच करेंगे और देखेंगे अगर वो रिसोर्स हमारे लिए यूज़फुल हुआ तो हम उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज हम उसे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए सेव कर देंगे. एंड सेम कंजर्वेशन ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज आर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. सो विद द फुल ऑफ एनर्जी लेट्स एंटर इन द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज. Gandhiji was very smart to recognize it that there is enough for everybody's need but not for anybody's greed. गांधी जी कहते थे कि सबकी नीड के लिए यानी कि ज़रूरतों के लिए तो है लेकिन किसी लालच के लिए रिसोर्सेज नहीं है. He was against the mass production. वो कहते थे कि मास प्रोडक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए बल्कि मासेस के थ्रू प्रोडक्शन होना चाहिए. इसी के लिए उन्होंने एक बुक भी लिखी थी जिससे स्मॉल इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. दिस बुक रिफ्लेक्ट्स द गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल्स एंड हिज फिलॉसफी. एंड आफ्टर दिस देयर इज ब्रूडनेल कमीशन रिपोर्ट 1987. This was actually talks about the sustainable development. Here when you were reading about the Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, that time you have heard that it was a first climatic summit in 1992, but before this it was already had talked about the sustainable development. Next topic is land as a resource. Children, आपने स्टार्टिंग में बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज पढ़े, क्लासिफिकेशन, टाइप्स, बट एवर यू हैव थॉट कि इसमें हमारे इस ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर में एक लैंड रिसोर्स को ही इतना वेटेज क्यों दिया गया, इसी को स्पेशली अटेंशन क्यों दिया गया? तो आंसर इट इज़ सिंपल. रीज़न इज सिंपल बिकॉज वी परफॉर्म ऑल द एक्टिविटीज़ ऑन लैंड एंड लैंड इज़ फाइनाइट. लिमिटेड होने के कारण हमें इसे केयरफुली यूज़ करना चाहिए. अगर इफ़ यू विल सी दिस पाई चार्ट देन यू विल फाइंड आउट दैट हियर इज़ 43% प्लेन, 27% इज ऑफ प्लेट्यू एंड 30% इज माउंटेन. सो मे आई नो अमंग दीज ऑल थ्री which one is the most important relief or type of type of land? Yes, I can guess that you all are focusing on the plain only because we are getting all facilities on the plain area, but we cannot decide over here that which one is important because each and every land has their own importance. If you will focus on plateau, then these are known as the storehouses of minerals. If you will focus on the mountain, then it gives rise to the rivers by which the plains have their identities. So children, land in all type of lands are important. In this, if you will see the total geographical area of India, then that is 32 lakh 80,000 kilometers square. But this was not the total area of India. It is only the 93% of the total land. So, do you have any idea where the 7% is? This 7% is Jammu Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh. Their area, this region are still not surveyed due to the because it has many disputed areas. After this land utilization, land resources are used for various purpose. But here I am not going to explain one by one, because in this many things you have already understood, like forest, land, barren land, and this was, but only two things I have to explain you over here. That is, first is agriculture year. Agriculture year, it means in India we have the three patterns: Rabi, Zaid and Kharif. These three patterns in a year, that is known as the agriculture year. So, if any crop is cultivated in only for one agriculture year, it means only for a year. Less than, it means any pattern, whether it is Kharif or Rabi, that was there, otherwise it was left uncultivated only. If you will see the net sown area, in simple language, if you will understand that पूरी कंट्री में जितनी भी लैंड है, उसमें जितने में भी क्रॉप्स को हम ग्रो करते हैं, वो नेट सोन एरिया कहलाता है. नेट सोन एरिया इज द टोटल एरिया सोन विथ क्रॉप्स इन अ कंट्री. इन पंजाब इट इज more than 80%, and in Arunachal Pradesh it is less than 10%. Land use pattern in India. Forest area in the country is far lower than the desired 33% of geographical area as it was outlined in National Forest Policy 1952. According to this policy, if any country is having less than 33% area, then it will consider as poor in terms of providing fresh air to their citizen. Here this data is giving that is 2000. We can compare this data from 1960 and 61 to 2014 and 15. Then the changes in the land use pattern you can compare. After this, land degradation and conservation measures. We all are aware that human activities are responsible for land degradation. But you know which kind of activities are there? The first point is overutilization of the resources. अगर हम ऐसा करते रहे तो it will lead to environmental damage on social and economical level. In Haryana and Punjab, the land is degraded due to the over irrigation. In Rajasthan and Gujarat, overgrazing, and in Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, it is because of over mining. So we can have the various ways to resolve these problems of land degradation. Like we can adopt afforestation and proper management of grazing. stabilization of sand dunes, shelter land plantation, proper management of wasteland, control mining activities, and proper discharge before proper discharge and disposal of industrial influence and waste after treatment. So in this lecture we are only going to talk about until here. Next lecture would be on soil and its conservation. But I want to give you a question for your homework. And my question is, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि 7% इंडिया का लैंड का अभी सर्वे नहीं हुआ है, तो आपको ये बताना है फिजिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया आप ले करके उसमें यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट द एरिया विच आर स्टिल नॉट बीन सर्वेड. थैंक यू. स्टे सेफ, स्टे एट होम.